Hey there, fellow Apple Watch Ultra enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to force restart your Apple Watch Ultra. If your watch ever becomes unresponsive or gets stuck, a force restart might just be the magic fix you need. So, let's dive right into it. To force restart the Apple Watch Ultra, follow these straightforward steps. First, locate the two buttons on the one side of your watch, which includes digital crown, and a single button on another side. Now, simultaneously press and hold both the side button and the digital crown together until the Apple logo appears on the display. There you have it. Your Apple Watch Ultra is now force restarting, and it should come back to life shortly. Be patient while your watch completes the force restart process. It might take a few moments, so avoid pressing any buttons during this time. And that's how you force restart your Apple Watch Ultra. Remember, this should be a last resort when your watch is genuinely unresponsive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Apple Watch tips and tricks. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.